So you want to learn how to play the piano, but you want to do it at your own pace without the burden of finding a private teacher or having to run to be on time at each lesson. I've got the solution for you. Online piano lessons. You can learn when you want, where you want, and you can even repeat each lesson as many times as you wish, which is not possible with a private teacher, unless he's very, very patient. So that's why I've created this series of videos on the best online piano methods. Hello, I'm Frank. Welcome to my channel and to this first episode of this series of review on online piano methods. Today we will discover the PianoMarvel method, and I will show you the different features of this application. Be sure that you stay till the end of this video because I've got a small gift for you. So for now, just follow the guide and let's get started. Okay, so we are now connected in PianoMarvel, and you see here the dashboard with different elements. If we go to methods, you will see the different levels you can choose. You have access to method books as here for the level 1, so yeah, it takes a bit of time to load, that's it. So you see that you have the different lessons in a PDF, so you can print them out and use them directly on your piano even if you're not on your computer. That's good. You also have access to video lessons, so it's a nice addition to books. It's a bit more live and you have good explanations to help you with the different lessons. So you see here. So then you have also a whole bunch of technical lessons, and for these ones you also have the book in PDF. Also the same thing like for the basic lessons, so you can always print them. An interesting feature of PianoMarvel is the sight reading assessment system. So it's not always present in different lessons, so that's good. You have also a ranking system to follow your progress and to see how you are doing compared to other students. So in the dashboard you can also set monthly practice goals, a good way to stay motivated. And yeah, you have access to all your progress, your scoring. That's quite good. So now you can see how it works for rhythm exercises. So this is the preparation mode where you can exercise before assessing your technique, your rhythm level. So the software waits for you and shows you the right rhythm. Okay, then you can assess to see if you have very well understood what is the different method here, the different rhythm of the different notes here, the duration. So that's me, yeah, trying to see if I managed to do this basic rhythm on the piano, and yeah, 100%, that's great. So the next thing I want to show you is the song library and how it works. So I selected the song Perfect by Ed Sheeran, and you can see different levels, and what is interesting is that you can practice just parts of the song, so the verse for instance. And as for every exercise of lesson, you have the prepare mode where the software waits for you and show you if you are playing the right notes. So you see here, I am trying to find the right notes. It waits for me, then it goes on. And you see in red when I don't play the right notes. Yeah, you see here. And then it goes on as soon as I hit the right notes. So it's a nice way to learn, and I really like it because you can practice as many times you want, and in the end you will get better. So in the same library you have also, as we see, we already saw the sight reading exercises. Okay, so you have different levels, different exercises. It's a quite complete method, I would say. I'm quite happily surprised to see all you can do here. And there is a feature which is quite interesting if you want to learn step by step. So it's available as a bootcamp, sorry. So you have kind of challenge, which is also a nice way to be engaged with the lesson. You are more motivated to try to do your best to perform well. So yeah, here I assess my level on sight reading, as you can see on this very simple exercise. So each note is played, you have a rhythm, so you have to follow both a rhythm and play the right notes with both hands. So that's a really good way to work with both hands, which is quite mandatory to play the piano. And yeah, it's well, a perfect score as well. I'm quite happy with it, fortunately for me, because it's a very easy one. Apart from that, you see in this song library, it's really big. You see the numbers on the left. You have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of songs for different levels. So here I selected only the beginner songs, and well, you see there's tons of different songs. What is nice is that you can choose by music style. So if you rather play only rock and country, for instance, and you can choose what you want, you can choose the level also. For many songs you can go to from easy to quite advanced levels, so I really like this feature as well. You see here a selection of more contemporary songs with movies songs. So it's quite various, I would say. I think anybody can find a good list of songs that he will enjoy to play. So this quick tour of PianoMarvel is now finished. I hope you have a better idea of what is inside this piano method. As I promised you at the beginning of this video, and I thank you for being still with me now, I've got a little gift for you. So if you go to the description below, you will find a link, and with this link you will have a 20% discount on the premium monthly subscription. But first, what I encourage you to do is to go to their website and to create a free account, so you can try it by yourself and see if it's a good fit for you, because I want you to use the right method, okay? Just not a random method. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to get even more amazing content. If you want even more information, go to my website, Guide2Music.com. You will find the link in the description. And for now, enjoy music, enjoy life.